Hey guys, it's Dylan Mandrell here. This is my work for quiz 6. So for A, it says, suppose the following graph is a first derivative function. Are there any minimums or maximums in the original function? So what I did first was set y prime of x to 0. And then once I did that, I looked on the x-axis, or the 0 line, and I saw that the only point that crossed was 5, because we can't really tell where the rest of this graph is going right here with the arrow. Therefore, I saw that the max would be a 5. If we go to part B, it says, suppose the following graph is a graph of a second derivative function. You know that y prime of 4 equals 0 and y prime 10 equals 0, which are critical points. Which one is a max and which one is a min? So I know looking at these two numbers, you would instantly think that 10 would be a max and 4 would be a minimum, but actually it's the opposite. So if you see that 4 is on the positive part and 10 is on the negative part, you can see that the max would end up being 4 and the min would actually end up being 10 based on this data and numbers that we had in the question. So if I flip this over, go to part C. So basically the graph crosses through the x-axis, or the line of 0, at 5. So once again, the answer would be 5. So the point of inflection would end up being 5.